EHang 266S. A significant breakthrough in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for passenger transport is the EHang 266S, created by the Chinese firm EHang. This innovative drone taxi offers a fresh solution to urban mobility challenges. Designed for short to medium distance flights, the EHang 266S features 8 pairs of electric rotors and can carry 2 passengers. Its eco-friendly and quiet operation makes it particularly suitable for city environments. What distinguishes this aerial taxi is its full autonomy. The flight control system handles takeoff, navigation, and landing without any human intervention. Moreover, the EHang 266S is equipped with top-notch safety features, ensuring that it can safely complete its journey and execute an emergency landing even if one rotor fails. With a maximum speed of 130 km per hour and an operational ceiling of 3,000 meters, it is tailored for swift and efficient travel within urban areas and their outskirts. The EHang 266S represents a leap toward the future of urban transportation, merging advanced technology with safety and environmental advantages, offering an exciting preview of what aerial commuting may soon entail.